What's good, y'all? Master Yoshi here. And as you can see, we got a nail in the tire. But that ain't no problem.
That ain't no problem. Huh? That ain't no problem.
Because we about to fix it. This is going to be the first time I've ever tugged the plier. Plugged the tire. So I welcome you to come on this learning experience with me. Roll the intro. Alright, y'all, so let's dig into our ugly ass handy dandy tail bag and we'll pull out this beautiful tire repair kit. And shouts out to my man Mr. 1000 for sending me the stickers. But yeah, man, I suggest everybody ride with something like this in case you ever get hemmed up or jammed up. You got something to get yourself up out of it. So first I'm going to check my PSI just to see if we're leaking or not. And we definitely are. So let's bust this old repair kit out. I got mine from Wally World. I'm sure you can get them at Target, AutoZone, Pep Boys, O'Reilly's, all that. So the instructions are pretty simple. You first remove whatever objects in your tire, then clean out that hole with the reamer tool, then grab one of your plugs, insert it into the needle of your plugger tool, coat that plug with some rubber cement, then you jam that thing all up in there, and you snatch that damn tool on out. All right, so now that I got the hole cleaned out, it's time to insert that licorice into our plugger tool. All right, now we gotta make it nice and juicy. Jam that thing all up in there. Yank that tool up on out of there. Slice and dice that tip off. And now we're gonna inflate the tire. I always like to overinflate my tire and then I'll let the air out to get to my desired PSI. This is why I have it set to 42. Now I'm just spray that thing down, make it moist with some soapy water, make sure I ain't leaking, and it's looking pretty good to me. So alright, I thank y'all for tuning in, man. I appreciate y'all checking this video out. I don't got nothing else for y'all. As always, y'all stay blessed, don't be too stressed. Master Yoshi out. Peace.